Chapter 8, Houses and Clothes. We need a house. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. Our houses protect us from the heat of the sun, the cold winter, storms, wind, and rain. It also protects us from animals, dust, and germs. What are houses made of? There are two types of houses, Pakka house and Kacha house. Pakka house are strong. They are also called as permanent houses. They are made up of wood, bricks, cement, iron rods, and steel. Wood and glasses are used to make doors and windows. Flats and bungalows in cities and towns are Pakka house. Kacha house are made up of wood, mud, straw, and dry leaves. Such houses are not very strong. They are mostly found in villages. A hut is a Kacha house. Some people, such as soldiers and nomads, do not stay in one place for a long time. They stay in houses that can be easily moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. For example, tents and caravans. Tents are made of strong cloth known as canvas. A tent can be folded, packed up, and carried easily from place to place. Caravans have wheels and can move people and their belongings from one place to another. A houseboat is a floating house made of wood. It floats on lakes. Some places are very cold. They are covered with snow all through the year. Houses made of blocks of ice called igloos are found here. Roofs and walls of different houses. Houses have a roof and walls to keep off the rain, sun, wind, and cold. In some places it rains a lot. Houses here have sloping roofs. Rainwater can easily flow down a sloping roof, so water does not get collected on the roof. Houses in places with heavy rainfall are built on wooden poles called stilts. A stilt keeps the house away from rainwater that gets collected on the ground. In very hot and dry places, houses have thick walls. Such walls keep the house cool in summers and warm in winters. Houses here have flat roofs as there is very little rainfall in these places. What is a healthy house? It is very important to live in a clean and healthy house and surrounding. A healthy house should have airy or well ventilated and well lit rooms, veranda, balconies, and terrace that provide open space, fresh air, and sunlight. Wire netted doors and windows to keep away disease causing pests such as flies and mosquitoes from the house. A proper drainage system to carry out dirty water from the bathroom and kitchen far away from the house. A healthy surrounding has lots of trees to keep the air clean and fresh, does not have open drains and garbage dumps, does not allow water to collect in puddles which becomes a breeding ground for disease-causing mosquitoes. To keep the house healthy and clean, furniture, doors and windows need to be cleaned of dust every day. Floors need to be swept properly and mopped with clean water. Cobwebs need to be removed once in a month. Garbage should be thrown in dustbins. Dustbins must be covered to keep away flies. Every day, the garbage must be given to the garbage collector so that it gets thrown in the proper place. The drains in the bathroom and kitchen should be covered. Open drains leads to cockroaches and other diseases causing insects. Wash basins, bathrooms and toilets must be cleaned twice a week. Next topic, clothes we wear. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes are one of our basic needs. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. What are clothes made of? Clothes are made of different fabrics such as cotton, wool, silk and nylon. A fabric is a material made of natural or artificial fibers woven together. Cotton, wool and silk are natural fibers. We get these from plants and animals. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get wool from sheep and silk from silkworms. The fibers that we get from the animals are called as natural fibers. The fibers which are man-made are known as artificial fibers, for example, nylon and polyester. Different seasons have different types of clothes. We wear light cotton clothes in summer. Such clothes keep us cool and comfortable in hot weather. In winter, we wear thick woolen clothes. They keep us warm. It rains a lot in the rainy season. We wear raincoats and carry umbrellas. Whenever we need to go out in the rain, they help us to